Tired of sending the wrong Webex link and confusing your team? Learn the exact steps to create and share a meeting link in under 60 seconds. So here's the thing. A lot of people accidentally send their personal room link when they mean to send a scheduled one, or they skip a step and the link just doesn't work. I've been there myself. But once you know the right process, it's actually really straightforward, and you can do this from scratch right now in less than a minute. All right, here's the plan. First, sign into your account and start your personal room. Then, copy the link and paste it into your message. Let's go step by step. Start by signing into your Webex account. Head to the Webex website and log in with your email and password. Make sure you're using the account that you want the meeting link to come from. That's important because if you have multiple accounts, the link will only work with the one you're signed into. From the sidebar on the left side of your screen, click Meetings. This takes you to your main meetings area, where you can see all your scheduled ones and, crucially, your personal room. Now, look for your personal room meeting. It should be listed near the top. Click the Start button to begin your personal room meeting. This kicks off the process. Now, wait for the Get Ready to Join page to appear. This usually loads in just a few seconds. It's a pre-meeting screen where you can check your audio and video. This is your chance to review your microphone and camera settings if needed. I always take a quick look here. Make sure your mic is picking up sound and your camera is pointed where you want it. If something looks off, adjust it now before you actually join. Once you're happy with your settings, click Start Meeting. Let Webex start the meeting. This might take a moment to process. Just let it do its thing. You'll see a loading screen as it connects you. After a few seconds, you'll be in the meeting window itself. And here's the really important part. Look on the right side of the screen. You should see a panel with a few options. One of them is a button that says Copy Meeting Link. Click that button. Wait for Webex to confirm it's been copied. You might see a small pop-up or the button text change briefly. That's your signal that the link is now on your clipboard. Now, open your preferred email or messaging app. It could be Gmail, Slack, Microsoft Teams, whatever you use. Create a new message. Tap or click into the text field and paste the link. You can usually right-click and select Paste, or use Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. Send it to your participants so they can join your Webex meeting. And here's a quick tip I always pass along. After you send the link, take a moment to confirm that participants can actually join. Click the link yourself in a different browser or on your phone, just to make sure it opens the meeting correctly. I've tested this process many times, and that simple check saves so much headache later. Finally, if you're not actually having a meeting right now, you can end the meeting. Just click the red End button in the meeting window. That'll close it out, but your meeting link will still be valid for the next time you need it. And that's it. You've gone from fumbling for the right link to confidently creating and sharing a working Webex meeting link in well under a minute. Give it a try on your own, and you'll see how smooth this process really is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.